In this video, I'll show you how to automate moving items between groups in Monday.com. Start by opening the board where your groups are organized. For example, you might have groups called New Request, In Progress, Under Review, and Completed. Click the Automate button at the top of the board and go to the Create tab. Select Create from Scratch. Inside the Automation Builder, you'll define the trigger and the action. One common recipe is moving an item when its status changes. In the trigger drop-down, select when status changes to something. Then, in the action drop-down, select Move Item to Group. Now choose the status that will trigger the move. For example, when a task changes to completed or done. Then, choose the destination group where the item should be moved. For example, it could be moved to completed tasks or archived work group. Review the automation settings carefully before saving. Then click Create Automation. Now, whenever an update reaches the selected status, Monday.com will automatically move it into the destination group. This keeps active groups focused on current work while automatically organizing completed items. And that's how to automate moving items between groups and Monday.com.